Why are pools low maintenance today? You know, one of the biggest questions I get, because most of us, or a lot of us, the fortunate ones, grew up in a swimming pool that our parents had. And, you know, we'd always hear from mom and dad how much, time it took to keep the pool clean, or how much energy it used to take. Well, today's pools, I'm telling you, the good news is today's pools are designed for low maintenance. Less time maintaining the pool and more time spending swimming and enjoying the swimming pool. And the reason why is because the advancements of pumps and filters and alternative sanitation systems. First of all, filters, and that's the filter that cleans the water, are anywhere from 3 to 5 times bigger than they used to be. So you're actually cleaning them 5 times less, or certainly more infrequently. The pumps are energy efficient pumps. They're stronger. The plumbing is bigger, so it's moving more water through the system, all keeping the pool not only more energy efficient, but using a whole heck of a lot less time working on the pool. And like I said, using it, and that's what it's intended to be. The pool cleaners are so much more sophisticated because they're kind of vacuum systems. They rove around the pool, they're cleaning up debris, and when you're done cleaning the debris, you just take it out of the pool. And then last but not least, most pools today aren't diving pools. We don't make pools 8 feet deep. They're usually made anywhere from 3.5 to 5 to 6 feet deep. And because of that, the water stays warmer and there's less surface area, and the entire pool now is usable instead of just a portion of the pool. And it allows the pumps and filters to clean better. It allows the sweeps to clean better. And last but not least, for the more sophisticated or more ornate type pools, we have what we call in-floor cleaning systems. And those cleaning systems actually pop up from the bottom, act like a rotating sprinkler system, and they clean the pool almost 95 to 99% clean without actually even throwing a pool sweep in there. So we like to call these pretty much self-cleaning pools. Today's pool is designed to use and not to maintain.
We have many of these question and answer series videos on getting pools and everything pool related and our pool show. Please like and subscribe to the channel and click the link below to go ahead and contact one of our designers to come on out and take a look.